JetBlue 2101, reduce to 210 knots, turn right direct to assault.
210 speed, direct to assault, JetBlue 2101.
Mercury 4293, turn left heading 010.
Heading 010, Merc 4293.
Cathay 830 Heavy, turn right heading 200.
Right heading 200, Cathay 830 Heavy.
JetBlue 2101, 6 miles from assault, cross assault at 3000, cleared RNAV RMP, runway 13 left.
Direct to assault at 3, cleared RMP, 13 left, JetBlue 2101.
Nose shuttle 6750, speed 180, turn right heading 020.
Speed 18 and right turn heading 020, Mobile
020, speed 180, flaps 1.
Approach, good morning, Delta 782, descending through 12.741, 1000 with pop-off.
Delta 782, Nick approach, good afternoon, expect VOR runway 13 left approach.
Delta 782.
Delta 61, 71, 11, 6, descending 8000.
Lindbergh 6171, Nick approach, roger, good afternoon. Mercury 4293, turn left heading 330.
Heading 330, Merc 4293.
Delta 782, descend and maintain 3000, altitude at 2972.
2972, descend and maintain 3000, Delta 782.
JetBlue 960, speed 180.
180 knots, JetBlue 960.
Nose shuttle 6750, proceed direct to assault.
Direct assault, Mobile 750.
Assault on top and
Cathay 830 Heavy,
execute.
descend and maintain 3000.
Assault on top, execute.
Maintain 3000, Cathay 830 Heavy.
Mercury 4293, speed 210.
Speed 210, Mercury 4293.
Cathay 830 Heavy, fighting 240.
Right heading 240, Cathay 830 Heavy.
JetBlue 2101, contact tower 119.1, good day.
19-1, let's get JetBlue 2101.
JetBlue 960, turn right heading 040.
Right turn 040, JetBlue 960.
Nose shuttle 6750, 3 miles from assault, cross assault at 3000, clear VOR 13 left approach.
Cleared VOR 13 left approach, cross assault 3000, Mobile 750.
Clear the approach, cross assault at 3000 feet.
Left turn heading 040, Delta 782.
Lindbergh 6171, turn right heading 200.
Next 1500 feet. Check, set. Flaps 5.
Nose shuttle 6750, contact tower 119.1, good day.
19-1, Mobile 750, bye.
JetBlue 961 able
On the previous arrival, heavy Boeing 767, caution with turbulence. Wind shear gain loss 10 knots to the surface. Wind 130 at 0, gust 27, and wind 13 left, clear to land.
13 left, clear to land, JetBlue 2101. Kennedy Tower, good morning, also 6760 VOR 13 left.
No shuttle 6750, Kennedy Tower, flying an Embraer 190 at Canarsie, wind shear gain loss 10 knots, below 1000 by heavy Boeing 767. Wind 130 at 19, gust 27, and wind 13 left, clear to land.
12 left, clear to land, also 6760.
Geared off, flaps 15. Flaps checks down the flaps.
Kenny Tower, good afternoon or good morning. JetBlue 960 is with you for the RNAV RMP, runway 13 left approach.
JetBlue 960, Kennedy Tower, good morning, 6 miles of trail, Boeing 777, wind shear gain loss 10 knots, below 1000, wind
2500.
7, and wind 13 left,
Alright,
clear
left,
to land.
altimeter 2974.
Clear to land on 13 left, JetBlue.
Altimeter 2974.
And here's the air station. You got the highway and everything inside?
Yeah.
Approaching Canarsie. 800 at Dimple.
Setting 900.
Checks.
missed approach altitude is 4,000 feet.
Tower 99.
Checks.
Right, no, no.
Alright, it's about 200 feet wide. It's rubber steel. I requested for some assistance to pick it up.
Right, disengage on
larger than I expected.
Roger, 99. Is this, will it stop?
Recycle flight directors. Set missed approach
I
altitude.
just need some assistance to pick it up. It's 200 feet long, so it's about like 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes.
Roger, 99.
Landing flaps.
10:51.
30.
1,000.
If you're waiting for the
1,000.
pressure, it's going to be a
Yeah,
few
complete
minutes
landing
till
checklist.
things start moving again for some thought.
Flaps,
30 light.
Landing check complete.
Thank you.
Approaching
And then
minimums.
Speed 156.
And you have 13 left inside.
Minimums.
Tower Mercury 4293, 012 left.
Mercury 1493, Kennedy Tower, following the number 320 over Canarsie, wind shear, gain loss 10 knots below 1,000, wind 130 at 19, gust 27, and we 13 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 13 left, 4293.
2101, turn right here, taxi off, clear ramp in that direction, monitor ground, please, on point 90.
Zulu Alpha Fox, entry, monitor ground point, 2101.
500.
Kennedy.
Contact.
Kennedy,
Checks.
at Papa,
500.
where are you exactly?
Papa Alpha Short 13 right.
Kennedy, roger, Papa Alpha, proceed on to runway 12 right.
913 right, Papa 9 company.
400.
Company, roger.
That's now Cafe City Heavy.
300.
Just checking in with you. For assault at 3,000.
Cathay 30 heavy following regional jet.
200.
On head, wind shear, gain loss 10 knots below 1,000, wind 130 at 19, gust 27, away 13 left, clear to land.
Runway 13 left, please to land. Cafe City Heavy.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brakes up. 2 reversers. Nice reverse.
Roger, 98.
$100. Auto brake this on.
Manual brake.
80 knots.
North Shuttle 6750, turn right, Delta Bravo, taxi left Alpha to your ramp. I'm on the ground, please point on her.
Alright, Delta Bravo, join Alpha to the ramp, monitor point 9 and over 673.
Right here, left Alpha.
Yes, so second to the left, and clear right.
Yeah, we can start APU.
Everyone left line up on way comes up till 6701.
Confirm, clear to line up in wait.
I do confirm.
It's clear left.
And he's landing right.
Before takeoff changes, please.
Before takeoff checks, flaps.
Flight plan 5.9.
Stabilizer.
6.3 units set.
And cabin call.
Given.
Check.
Thank you. Clear left. And counting on the runway.
Delta 405 Heavy, turn right on Mike Delta, taxi right into Papa, hold short of November and contact ground.
Okay, right on Mount Calton, I missed the second part.
Hold short of November and contact ground.
Sure, November with you, I'm with ground, Delta 45.
Stand by for the runway to locate.
North Shuttle 6701, wind 330 at 13, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
We are left here, takeoff number 670.
Cleared for takeoff.
7218, turn left on Whiskey, taxi left Alpha, monitor ground.
Whiskey and Alpha over to ground. Have a good day.
Flagship 4101, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
Runway 0 left, line up and wait. Flagship 4101.
Trust set. Taking us.
V1.
Positive right?
You're up.
Foxtrot 6701, contact near departure, good day.
Contact departure, no shuttle 6701. Good day. Speed. N1. Departure, good afternoon, no shuttle 6701, score 3000, 1100 for 5000.
No shuttle 6701, departure, good afternoon, radar contact, climb maintain 12000.
Climb maintain 12000, no shuttle 6701. 12000?
12000. Speed down.
Check it.
Left one.
Left one set.
Left one set. Commanded.
Check.
No shuttle 6701, turn left heading 130.
Left heading 130, no shuttle 6701.
Water ski 4110, contact New York Center 128.3, good day.
28-3 water ski 4110 to you.
That's flaps up, no light.
After echo checks, we can leave the altimeters.
Roger. After takeoff checklist, engine bleeds on, Pax auto, landing gear up and off, flaps up, no lights, holding at altimeter.
Set.
Engine anti-ice on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, departure, good day. Flagship 4101 out of 1.7 for 5000 on the call to departure.
Flagship 4101, departure, good afternoon, radar contact, climb maintain 17000.
Climb and maintain 17000, flagship 4101. Center water ski 4110, what's that frequency again?
28 tree.
3, thanks.
Flagship 4101, turn left heading 090.
Left, heading 090, flagship 4101.
Engine anti-ice off.